Hi there! Today we are going to make a deer. Well, this sounds very interesting. Let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful deer right here. Let's see the 4 steps and start making the animal. At first, we will start by making its face, for which we are going to draw a circle. After that, let's draw the curve and try joining it to the body. Yes, for the body, we are going to make a big flat oval. After that, let's make the lines for the legs. As this is a rough drawing, we are going to make this a little lighter. So just in case if we have to erase it, we can do so. After that, let's make the front part and then the ears of the deer. That's interesting. Let's make this curved line for the tail. And then start by making the legs properly. Go very slow while making it and do not make a mistake. As of now, draw everything overlapping one another. Once we are done with the entire drawing, we will erase it. This looks pretty. Let's give the ears a final detailing and then make the body a little more darker. Now comes the part when we erase all the overlapping parts. Continue making the face of the deer and then this curved line, connect it to the body and make the final touch-ups. Once we are done with that, we will make the nose, the face and then the eyes. This looks so beautiful. Let's make the spots on the deer's body now. Well, yes, they will be of different sizes and will be oval in shape. Finally, let's start sketching this. Yes, we will sketch the entire drawing with the help of a black sketch pen. Do you have a black sketch pen with you? That's amazing. Let's sketch this together. Do not miss out on the fine detailings which we have made while drawing this. Sketch all the detailings properly. Make the small tail and then the legs. Go ahead by making the entire body of the deer. And go right on top of the pencil marks. Make the eyes and then the dots or the spots on the body. This looks brilliant. Well, we do see quite a lot of pencil marks right here. Let's take our eraser and erase them. And now let's start coloring this. Let's take the dark ochre color and color the part which is dark. Yes, we are going to color the two legs which are on the other side. And let's color the tail as well. After that, let's highlight a few places on the deer's body with the help of this dark color. Once we are done with that, let's take an ochre color and start coloring the body. We will start with the ears and then the face. Make a proper outline near the eyes and then color inside. And make sure that you do not color inside the spots. Always do the outline and then color in one direction inside. But before that, do not forget to do an outline for all the spots. This is amazing. Continue coloring with the same crayon. And then color inside like this. Can we do this together? That is lovely. Let's take pale yellow color and do the spots. This looks amazing. Let's do it in the front part right here. And then use grey color near the ears. Let's use the dark grey color for the bottom part of the leg. And look at that, our deer looks amazing.